Hey all at Collision Drumsticks and all artists and everywhere. My own name is Tracy Noonan. I'm from Ireland. I'm a female drummer since I was the age of 10 years old. I'm now nearly 34, so that's a long time. I came across Collision Drumsticks online, so I said I'd give them a try. Now at the moment I'm in a band, two-piece band with my partner who plays guitar and sings. We're called Blue Orchid, as you can see behind me. I actually use 7A drumsticks all the time, so at the moment I'm using the Collision 7As here. So what I like about them is that I don't drop them. I'm always dropping my sticks at gigs usually, and so these little babies I've never dropped. I like the fact that you have a reach range as well, so that's like for small tiny people like me who try to reach their splashes and stuff, it's a lot easier with the reach ones. I've recently ordered some more merch from you guys, so I've ordered the hoodie, the lanyard for my tuning keys, you've got towels I think as well, and you've got more merch coming up, so that's what I really like about your range, is that you've got an extensive range of merch. For my playthrough I'm going to play a song by Fleetwood Mac called Go Your Own Way, so that's the next clip you're going to see. Thanks for listening and enjoy.
Is it the right thing to how can I hear the strange things that I hear? If I could, maybe I'd give you my world. How can I, when you won't take it from me? You can go your own way, go your own way. You can go it. Tell me why everything turned around. Back it up, check it up, told you wanna do. If I could, maybe I'd give you my world. Open up, everything's waiting for you to change. You can go your own way, go your own way. You can go where I know I'll be dead. Thanks very much folks, we'll see you all again soon. Thanks for having us.